Well, I just sold my old seats. What's a sad? Look at that shit. Bro, look how dirty this shit is. Let me put the flash on real quick. Bruh, look how dirty this shit is. No mama's cut. Fucking dirty ass truck. But getting new seats. I'm gonna clean all this up. I'll be back to you guys. As you can see, it looks way better now. Still not done, still got that side. But look at this side all clean. Somewhat clean, but ooh, one of them spot right there. Watch this. Bitch is dirty. Por ahí va la way. Cinematic starts now. Well, guys, got it as clean as I can. It's alright, you know, nothing. Pretty decent. My carpet's dirty, so don't mind that. So, looks clean. Right back quedando that way. Don't mind the mess, guys. This is my cleaning shit.
No. 400. I gotta get the final fucking.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Because somebody. Lil. This shit came out badass. Calm down, Freddie LSX.
I got the Freddie LSX setup cut.
Yo, I think he went straight. This shit is badass. This shit makes. Don't mind the dirtiness. We're gonna clean that bitch up. That's how we here.
Came out badass.
Came out.
Don't mind that dirty. New seats equals new bodies. Hit me up.
Shut the fuck up. No, he's not. He's not kidding.
Really not.
Como dice mi compa Edgar, cinematic starts now, a la verga.
Cinematic starts now,
Is in camera. What you guys watching, dude?
Hey, if you see me staring over there, mind your business.
Oh yeah. Too many hoe niggas out there.
For later, bro. He's vlogging right now.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We get it. You got an SS too, dude.
Sorry, dude.
I only got the Volkswagen, 2.0 turbo. Nalgas tal más. Why you poking it, nigga? This nigga just poked it out.
Why you got some videos?
Pinches jotos.
Troqueando, okay. Wait, what's on? You sent it to the chat, bro?
Nah, it's going on the vlog.
Nah.
Yeah. Para que sepan que cuál es el algón.